24 things you'll love about 245 William Place. Number 1, magazine-worthy design. Number 2, a grand barreled brick entry. Number 3, a completely renovated kitchen with quartz countertops, cafe appliances, gas stove, and a custom wine rack. Number 4, an epic master bath suite with radiant heat floors. Number 5, a massive screened-in porch where I can sit out and listen to the birds and drink my morning cup of coffee. Number 6, grass so soft you can play ball with your grandson in your bare feet. Number 7, gorgeous hickory wood floors. Number 8, a formal dining area to fit your custom dining table. Number 9, 3 elegant showers. Number 10, these custom feature walls. Number 11, an oversized 3-car garage that will fit all your vehicles, including your project car. Number 12, 2 laundry areas for your convenience. Number 13, 2 separate living areas with its own complete kitchen. Number 14, a secret storm shelter just in case. I guess it's not a secret anymore. Number 15, plenty of storage area to house all of your Christmas stuff. Number 16, lots of mature trees, perfect for climbing. Number 17, sitting by the fire pit and watching the deer and turkey. Number 18, a brand new roof. Number 19, a private 2-acre lot. Number 20, at the end of a cul-de-sac. Number 21, a large driveway for all your guests to park. Number 22, plenty of room to build your ideal shop. 23, this fantastic RV parking. Last but not least, number 24, enjoying the splash pool with your kids and grandkids. It doesn't get any better than this. I'm Jeff Reynolds with Keller Williams Real Estate, helping you move forward.